Hello everyone. My name is Pervaiz, Assistant Professor of English. I welcome all of you to this short video. In this video, we explore stages of writing short research paper. When students enter to college, they may face with writing research projects. Professors, lecturers ask them to conduct a short research paper. In this video, we will talk the stages of writing quality short research paper. Writing a short research paper requires different stages. Students have already studied writing process, but now they are new with writing a short research paper. The first important point in writing short research paper is finding interesting topic for research project. Students must search online search engines, and also they will communicate or talk with their professors, colleagues, friends about interesting topic. Because learners work for 3 or 4 months on short research paper project. If they do not have interesting topic, the project will be not good for him and they will become tired of working on project. The first stage of working on short research paper is choosing a good research topic. Where can we find? From Google Scholar, Google, ERIC, in other resources. Also, we can communicate with our elders. After finding interesting topics, we must find some literature review or conduct some literature review on topic. Because by the help of literature review, we dig deep about our topic. If a student select a topic after communicating with friends, they can justify, they can prove the topic after reviewing other articles. Dear students, if you select your topic, after selecting your topic, please find 5 articles related to your topic from Google Scholars in other search engines. Review the article and then finalize your topic. When you find topics, please review. How can we think about topics? Please review the topic abstract, introduction, method and material, literature review, finding, discussion, and conclusion of your articles that you downloaded from Google Scholar. Summarize the points. After reviewing articles, now compare your topic with the given information on these articles. The articles will help you to find specific topic. It will help you to have narrow topic for your research. Then you will enter to the another stage of working on your topic, which is summarizing the literature or summarizing the articles, the 5 articles that you downloaded from internet. Please summarize and paraphrase the articles. Avoid plagiarism. How can we avoid plagiarism? We can avoid plagiarism through providing in-text and in-text citation. In your short research project, your teachers ask you to apply APA writing style, American Psychological Association writing style. After reviewing, paraphrasing the ideas, now it's time to write the first draft of your short research paper. In short research paper, you must have abstract, the summary of introduction, purpose of your topic, method and material of your topic, finding, discussion, and keywords. These are the components of good abstract. Secondly, you will focus on introduction section of your research paper. Introduction, you will explain the topic background, discuss about purpose of your research, problem that you face, and also the research question that you want to solve in your project. These are the components of introduction of your research article. Then, literature review section. In literature review section, you includes all the information that you got from 5 articles. In literature review, you will put all the information in essay structure, in essay format, in literature review section. This is the third part of your short research paper. After literature review section, you will write method and materials. In method and materials section, you will explain and tell the readers how do you conduct the research. Explain the method, approaches, procedure of working on this project. And also you will include the materials that you use in the project. Maybe you can use interview, questionnaire, and also literature. The fifth important component of short research paper is findings. In finding, you can answer the research questions that you constructed in introduction part of your research paper. Findings try to integrate the interviewer answers, the literature review findings, in all, combine them, paraphrase them to answer the research question. After finding, you will enter to discussion section of your final project. In discussion section, you can compare the idea of writers, the findings with your own thinking. Just you are going to compare and contrast your finding and put in your discussion section. After discussion, you can write short summary of entire research project. In conclusion, you will focus on summary of research project, your some recommendation for readers, some limitations or challenges that you face during the research project. After conclusion, you will write the references. Please write references based on APA writing style. After references, you can add appendices if you add or include interview or questionnaire. Now, you include many components in your short research paper. First, abstract, introduction, literature review, method and material, finding, discussion, conclusion, and references. These are all parts of your short research paper. After drafting your first copy, please hand over the draft to your classmates and ask them to review the paper for you. They will review grammatical mistakes. They will point out some references and they will help you in all area of the research project. Whenever you receive your classmate feedback, please copy the final draft and submit the final draft to your instructors. This is the stages or writing process for developing a short research paper. Keep in mind, in short research paper, we may use different types of essays. If a student can write essay, writing a short research paper will be much easier than other tasks because they have already information about structure of good essay. Let me give you one example. Method and material section of short research paper is going to be construct in form of descriptive essay. If a person knows descriptive essay, he can write good method and material section for research paper. Or also we can use narrative essay for explaining our method and material. For literature review, and literature review students use compare and contrast essay. If students want to write a good literature review section for short research paper, they must know compare and contrast essay, because by the help of compare and contrast essay, they can construct or develop the literature review section of essay. Findings. In finding, we can use argumentative essay. Argumentative essay, and also we can use other types of essay too in findings. In discussion, we can use persuasive essay. It means that if a person knows different types of essay, writing a short research paper will be easy for them. In this video, we talked about writing process of short research paper project. Hope you understand some information regarding constructing your short research paper. Wish you all the best with your short research paper project.